I thought this was a Norwegian Mandela Effect. When I first got to Norway, I saw this soda right here, Urge, U-R-G-E, Urge. And the way the can looked, the design, the name, everything, it made me think when I was a kid, I was like, yo, growing up in the States, we had a soda called Surge, which was like Urge, but with an S. And I was like, I know for a fact, I remember, it was middle school, I remember. But I hadn't seen Urge in a long time. I mean, this is like a long time ago, they stopped selling Urge in the States. And then I was thinking, was it actually Urge the whole time? And I didn't know? Was Surge even real? Surge was totally real. Look at that right there. It was a real thing in America. And you can see Urge, Surge. So I started thinking, why the difference? And what's up with this soda anyway? Well, as you can see, Urge is a citrus flavored soft drink produced by Coca-Cola Norway that was first introduced in the country of Norway in 1996 and later on was released in Denmark and Sweden. And it's actually the predecessor of the American drink Surge, which was introduced later the next year in 1997. So I'm like, okay, all right, got it. So then I started wondering, why is it called Surge in America and why is it called Urge in Norway? Well, boom, right here. You can see here, because Surge was a brand already registered by another firm in Norway, so they couldn't call it Surge, so they called it Urge. And while Surge was really popular in America for just a couple years and then got discontinued, Urge is actually still very popular in Norway, still being sold to this day, and it's pretty good. The more you know. Norway out here setting trends. What?